Welcome to I'm Supporting, the UK-hosted live chat software powered by AI and human handoff. Getting started is incredibly quick and easy. Simply sign up with your email or log in using your Google account. Once you accept the terms and conditions, our intuitive quick setup wizard will guide you through the initial configurations. First, link your website by entering your domain name. Next, you can configure your AI settings. Simply choose your AI mode and let our system auto-generate a tailored company description for you. When it comes to deploying your widget, you can choose to test it in a sandbox environment or deploy it straight to production by copying the simple embed code directly onto your website. Review your chat workflow overview. Click Complete Setup. You will be taken directly to your live dashboard, where you can see all your active chats at a glance. Let's see it in action on a test site. When a customer opens the chat widget, they will receive an instant greeting. The AI assistant can seamlessly collect user information, like a name or email address, before answering technical questions directly. In this example, the user asks about WCAG compliance, and the AI instantly responds with the exact details. Customers can even leave a star rating and feedback at the end of their session. Back in your main dashboard, you have full control over your chat flows. By opening the Chat Workflow Builder, you can visually design how your system handles customer inquiries. Use the interactive preview panel to test your message paths, custom fields, and AI agent triggers in real time. With I'm Supporting, creating a powerful hybrid AI chat journey has never been easier.